We're in 1922. This is such a relevant space for me because I've been here because of my school. So kung pumasok ka sa City Museum, ang una mo talagang mapapansin is this table in the middle, which is crafted into such a wonderful piece. It is called the Higaunon
Prayer
table. Would you like to tell us about it?
The indigenous people, the Higaunon area, binibless nila ito. So, we offer coins for your safe arrival.
I think I do have my coins here. Place it lang talaga. So cute. Since we are in the City Museum of Cagayan de Oro, where did we get the name from?
So, meron siyang river.
We have oro as in gold.
We have retrieved some of the gold dust.
There's more to love sa syudad natong matahong. There's more to love sa pahiyo natong Cagayanon. There's more to love where Kalipay lights up the sky. We welcome you by.
Our next stop is the newest eco destination here in CDO. Let's go, guys! Sobrang ganda dito. Parang, I want you guys to really take in this view. As they told me, parang may 28 falls all leading down to the ilog down there. This is the one and only Sinulong Falls.
So etymology-wise, sinulong comes from the root word sulum, which means the black ants.
Yes,
yung
the black ants.
They're gathering.
Dati parang people gather here to get a source of water, pero ngayon para din tayong mga black ants that get together
Yes.
to enjoy this wonderful falls. I can't wait to try Bulao Cold Spring. To get to Bulao Cold Spring, we have to cross the 200-meter hanging bridge. And you guys can see the view. It's crazy. Wow, it's kind of scary, but it's not really. As a professional side quester, I think this is one of the best side quests that I've ever done. It's really just exciting. We made it to the Cold Spring Bulao! It's so cool! Absolutely majestic. At feeling ko masaya, sobrang saya talaga pagkasama mo ang friends and family mo. Fun fact, isa ang Cagayan de Oro sa may mga cacao farms here in Mindanao and kukuha tayo ng hinog na cacao. Look guys, I found one. It's up in the tree. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's hinog na cacao. Wait, this is gonna be hard to get. Oh, I got one! Slay, look at that! From what we harvested to tablea. This is Cocoa di Sinulong, and we are now taste testing sikwate. So I know we had sikwate this morning. Oh my gosh, talagang sikwate na sikwate. Walang halong keme talaga. They didn't put milk, they didn't put sugar. You can taste the whole organicness of the sikwate. So that's what home really feels like, knowing that something won't change and there's always something that you could come back to. Para sa 24 Oras, this is Charlie Fleming, Urban Gita Sparkle, Under the Sun.
Hawak na ng pulisya ang mga kuha ng CCTV nang magkabarilan sa Senate building nitong Miyerkules. Kaugnay niyan, nilinaw ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada na ang pagpreserba sa ebidensya ang ibig niya sabihin nang banggitin niya na itago ang CCTV. Nakatutok si Marie Zumali.
Kasunod ng putukan sa Senado noong Miyerkules, maririnig sa live video ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada na pinag-uusapan ng mga senador ang kuha ng CCTV.
I-secure lang ng CCTV.
Nagtanong sa Senador Loren Legarda kung may nahagip ba sa CCTV. Nakuha ng CCTV.
Baka may makuha pa tayo ng mga itago niyo yung CCTV.
Pinag-usapan online ang pahayag ni Estrada na itago ang CCTV. Kanina nilinaw kung ano ang ibig sabihin niya. Anya, binaluktot ito at binigyan ng ibang kulay.
Ano ibig sabihin ng i-preserve yung CCTV for future reference? Okay? Why should I keep it in fund? Kaya nga itago para i-preserve for future reference. po kasi ebidensya yun eh. Kung pwede nga lang ilabas ka agad yung CCTV, dapat ilabas na.
Walang tinukoy sa Estrada pero sabi niya nakakalungkot na may ilan anyang media outlets at online platforms na bumaluktot ng kanyang pahayag. Dagdag pa ng senador, natarantalang anya siya.
Siyempre, para naman yung nasa loob ng building ng Senado, tapos baka nakarinig ka ng putok ng baril, hindi ka ba matatarantanan?
Maging si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, ipinaliwanag ang naging pahayag ni Estrada.
Agad kong sinabi kay as soon as nakaakyat na po si Sergeant at Arms Mao, sabi ko secure the CCTV room. So nung sinabi po ni Jinggoy na itago, ang ibig niya sabihin make sure walang makakuha.
Ayon sa PNP, hawak at pinag-aaralan na nila ang mga CCTV footage mula sa loob at labas ng Senado. Mariz Umali, nakatutok, 24 oras.
Nagkagulo sa nakatakdasan ng pag-demolish sa mahigit 300 bahay sa Cagayan de Oro City. Tumaas ang tensyon ng almahan ng mga residente ang isinilbing notice to vacate na pirmado ng kapitan ng kanilang barangay. Hindi umano kasi konektado ang nagpakilalang claimant ng lupa sa totoong may-ari nito. Agad namang pinatigil ang demolisyon at nagkaroon ng pagtulong. Lumabas ding walang demolition order mula sa alkalde ng lugar. Sinusubukan po namin hinga ng panig ang sinasabing claimant ng lupa.
Tutukan! Department of Justice naglabas ng Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order laban kay Senador Bato de la Rosa. At daan-libong mga paniki na namataan sa Cotabato, maituturing bang peste o swerte sa kalikasan? Kuya Kim, ano na? Dito lang sa 24 oras.